Standard 1.9, Clinical Trials Accrual, is a phase-in standard for 2015 because the required participation rates have been increased for most accreditation categories. Cancer programs will be required to accrue a specified percentage of patients to cancer-related clinical trials yearly based on category. This activity is reported to Cancer Committee annually by the clinical trial coordinator or representative. A screening process for identifying patients eligible to participate in clinical trials is developed, monitored, and evaluated for effectiveness. A program offering clinical trials must demonstrate that there is an institutional review board, IRB, approving the trial and all aspects of participation. Categories of eligible patients are identified in the standard. Cancer clinical trials are an important aspect of cancer care. Only through continued research can science bring forth the advances leading to innovative cancer care. Patients enrolled in clinical trials have the opportunity to receive cutting-edge treatment in a well-controlled environment, as well as participating in trials that can potentially benefit future cancer treatments. Meeting the standard requires that the specified percentage of patients are enrolled in cancer-related clinical trials each year. Cancer-related trials go beyond treatment trials and can include trials on primary prevention of cancer, early detection, quality of life issues, even the economics of cancer care. There are trials available to community hospitals through cooperative groups such as ECOG or SWOG, and pharmaceutical companies. A compliance rating results when the required percentage of patients are accrued to cancer-related trials. Accruals are monitored, reported to Cancer Committee, and documented in the Cancer Committee minutes. A commendation is earned if the commendation percentage for that category is accrued. Prior to 2015, programs must maintain accrual numbers for their category based on the 2011 Standard 5.2. Completion of the SAR and reporting to Cancer Committee on the cancer-related trials percentage will be required. At the on-site visit, a surveyor will discuss the clinical trials program with Cancer Committee. All Cancer Committee members should be familiar with the kinds of trials that patients were enrolled in. As a strategy, Cancer Conference can be an opportunity for identifying eligible patients. Joining a CCOP, Community Clinical Oncology Program, which provides state-of-the-art cancer clinical trials in the community setting, is an excellent way to increase cancer trials for a facility. Tracking patients accrued to clinical trials in outside facilities has been a barrier. The COC encourages and expects all COC-accredited programs to share this information. Develop and monitor a process to follow up on patients referred to other facilities for enrollment into cancer-related clinical trials. Community physicians receiving updates on these patients could share information with the CTR, for an example. Thank you for viewing this video on the COC standards, and remember to view the remaining videos in this series to further increase your knowledge on the standards. For additional resources, be sure to visit the COC website at www.facs.org/cancer to access the COC Educational Portal, Best Practices Repository, and Cancer Forum.